Alrighty guys, this is my beauty room. So most of you guys think when someone films it's just this, it's clean, they live in a magical spot, but really this is like what it looks like around. So it's about to go down in here. So today I'm going to be doing a get cleaning with me. Back when I started my YouTube channel I was very organized, very clean in here. Lately things are some piling around, everything's unorganized. The weird thing is the rest of my house is very organized, but this room is just... So I have a lot of stuff to go through. I mean, why is there a box cutter wide open right there? I do not know. You can see there's a lot of stuff everywhere. So we're gonna be going through that. And then on this side, I'm gonna pretty much purge the hell out of everything in here. You know, some may stay, some might not survive. I don't know where it's gonna go. By the way, this is my assistant, Alejandra.
Hi, everyone.
She is the one that helps me. But I feel so bad because sometimes like, she like organizes it and then I go ahead and everything up. And then she comes back the next day and she's like, there he is. All right, gonna get my boo-boo.
What are you doing?
About to start cleaning the room and I need your help. I need your asistencia. I need your
Asistencia?
Can you help me?
No.
I need your help, come on. Actually, I lied, I have another room that's pretty bad as well. This room is gonna be getting a makeover very soon and I'm gonna be making this into a walk-in closet. I plan on getting shelves and a lot of spacing over here and as well as on this side. I need mirrors in here as well. I feel like a long mirror would do me good right there. But right now there's just stuff everywhere. We've had a lot of travel. All right, so I'm thinking we need to move everything this way first because I'm gonna pull a lot of stuff out. I gotta clean the floors today too, jeez. My little woolly bear. I love this little boy. So this is currently the chair I use to film in. Look how dirty it is. Sometimes I just have a lot of... Shut the f up! God! I feel like I'm ready to upgrade to like a big girl chair. All right, so this section I have a lot of space in here for so much stuff. So right here is where I like to keep all my backdrops. Actually got this idea from Desi. She showed us one time on, I believe it was Snapchat, and she hangs them all in here. These are from Amazon and they're actually for slacks. But she hangs them on here, keeps them very organized. And then we have setting sprays, some more skincare products. This needs to go somewhere else. I got my clips. These are the Jen Akin Chloe Isabel collection. Some scrunchies. Who uses scrunchies? I still use scrunchies. I love scrunchies. Bandanas. And I got these little organizers that I got from Target where I keep all my hair clips at. Then we have these small hair ties and then my large jumbo hair ties. But do you see how there's like hair in here and they're all kind of tangled? I gotta go through that. Woo! Give me another coffee, babe. I'm not even done, but give me another one. All right, cheers, guys. Wish me luck. One of the backdrops that I've clearly never used. I don't know why, it's so gorgeous. This is another one that I love a lot. I've used this a couple times in some videos. It's like a gold reflective with silver metallic backdrop. This is a thick one that I regret buying, but it is probably my favorite backdrop because it's nude. I just don't recommend this fabric because this is like probably for like a dress. I would recommend something a little more stretchy. Things are empty, like this is done. Why is it there? I'm just gonna go ahead and see what I use and what I don't use. So I decided to get some of my clear bins and put my hair products in there. They were kind of scattered before and I found it very hard to find what I needed. And I kind of also forgot certain products in the back as well. So I decided to put them in the clear bins and I organize them by what type of product it is. So in here I have all my hairsprays. In this bin right here I have all my mousses, my thickening sprays, blow dry sprays, some more mousse. Here is where I have all of my dry shampoo, my texture sprays, and dry conditioners. Went through everything again, made sure there was no broken hair ties. All bobby pins were good. Can't forget the weave drawer. Woo! This is life right here. So I got some packs of Bellamy hair in here. I got more extensions. And then this drawer is where I have all of my hair tools. All right, so I went ahead and did the exact same thing that I did on this side. I grabbed clear bins and then I placed all of my pre-sprays right here. And then in these two, I did all my setting sprays. So we have some Urban Decay, Morphe, Laura Geller, Cover FX, Kat Von D. I think it's gonna really help me when I'm now looking for a setting spray. I don't just keep on grabbing the same one. Found my Selena CDs. I've had these since I was super young, but it's like a 3-disc CD of her best songs. This looks so beautiful right there. I went in and put these all in canisters. These were $4 from West Elm. They're actually meant for candles, but I thought they were so perfect for brushes. So I put all my brushes in here so I can kind of see them. Moving on to the next side of the room. So this corner right here is where I keep all of my go-to products and products that I truly love and wear. So I store them all inside these IKEA Alex drawers. I've got these a few years ago and have always had mixed feelings about them because I think they're very ugly, but they do the job. They truly store so much makeup in there. So on this side is where I store all my concealers, foundations, my setting powders, my powder foundations, and my body bronzers. We got LA Girl, Maybelline, Wet n Wild, 2 bins for Shape Tape because I cannot have enough Shape Tape. And then here I have a blend of all types of setting powders. I just want to know why I have 5 drawers for highlight. So many highlights. So this is the first highlight that I ever purchased in my entire life back in 2007. I will be keeping this because I got a lot of like sentimental value to this one, you know? And I still have so much in there. Back then it wasn't about glowing to the gods, it was just glowing. But I would use just what was on my lid and that was like enough for me. But now that I look at it, it's not even as vibrant as like any of my other highlights. This is what it looks like. It's called Silver Dusk. I think it's discontinued as well. But this was my go-to highlight for years. Ooh, that smells good. Hell yeah. So we just got this brand new coffee machine from Bed Bath & Beyond. Shout out to Cezanne and Stevie. We made adult moves.
What do you want? What kind of design do you want? A flower?
You want
a dog?
I want a flower.
Look it, look it, look it.
Well, that's how they do it? All right, show us.
So you power it on, and what you do is you pick your filter size. Which do you want, a single or a double? We're just gonna do double. All you have to do is take this little thing. This is the double cup. Push it in here. Blah. Blah. See that? Oh. Is Starbucks taking applications or not? Look at that.
Look how messy you are though. I would fire you immediately.
I'm about to work in Starbucks.
Starbucks? Wait, but I'm a coffee bean kind of girl.
Lock it. Clap.
Clap. Clap.
You choose your favorite coffee mug. Which one do you want?
Hold on, let me select.
Guadalajara, Austria, the hair shop. Do you want the one that Caesar and Joanna got us?
From El Salvador?
Yes. Look at that. There you go. That's perfect. Ooh.
So the last 2 drawers are going to be pretty much all eye and brush products. Eyeliner and mascara drawer is finally done. This one's done. I'm done. The IKEA drawers, they definitely suck.
Yes, they do.
Do you remember when you had to put these all together for me?
I don't want to remember. I feel bad for you.
It's 2 in the morning.
I know.
I'm still here. I'm pretty tired.
Wait, hold on. It's 1:54. 1:54.
What?
Mickey said that.
In case you're wondering where all my lip products are going to be pretty much up in here. And all my skincare product is going to be over there. Tools, the brow products, lashes, and then started even organizing the glitters already. I'm pretty much just going to be storing all single shadows in these bins right here. I don't have as many single shadows as I used to. I feel like I'm a palette kind of girl now. And by the way, these clear bins are from the Container Store. Thank you, Desi, again for the recommendation. But what I like the most about these is the space. They go deep. Like you can really get in there. You can store so much stuff in there because they're actually for shoe boxes. So it's great in height. And I love, again, that I can see everything inside. Like it's super helpful. Alrighty. So I'm trying out this new Benefit mascara that just launched today, the Bad Girl Bang. This just got delivered to my house with an astronaut, but this is what the mascara looks like. It's very impressive, very full, a lot of volume. I just hope it doesn't flake or smear, which is like my biggest concern with mascaras, but if it does, it passes the test. So I just wrapped up in the room and I did not finish. I really thought I was gonna be able to get everything done, but I did get through a lot of it. A lot of it's organized, alphabetized, and then I wanted to film like a finale beauty room tour with like everything finally complete in here. And also in that video I kind of wanted to share my filming equipment that I used. I noticed yesterday when I was snapping in here I had a lot of questions asking about what lights I use, what camera, my backdrops. So if you guys want a video on that, let me know. I would love to share everything, give some advice, and help you guys out. And I also want to do a giveaway in this video. I have a lot of stuff to give away. I may or may not have a ring light to give away as well. It's been brand new and it's been sitting in my room that I had plans on giving away a long time ago. But I have a lot of things I want to give away and give back to you guys and help someone out who wants to start a career on YouTube or is just a crazy makeup lover. So if you guys want that, let me know. But right now we gotta go. We have a long drive. This is my OOTD for the day. Hat swag. Very comfy today. With that said, I'll see y'all later. Ciao.